the failures in service delivery, officials must accept responsibility for. Because officials are employed because of the specific technical skills that they have. And you know we have minimum requirements that we have to have. But he says to be a premier, you don't even have to have matric. No law says to be a premier, you must have matric. No law says you must have a degree. You're a public representative. There are no minimum requirements. Because they employ officials to do the work, to advise them, and they are there representing the interests of the people. So any failure for service delivery, officials must take collective responsibility for. That's his view. And he's come out very clear, and I'm sure when Ma'am speaks, she will tell you the same. He's not prepared to tolerate any mediocrity. He's made it clear. You perform or you go. It's simple as that. And he said he doesn't want, and here you're speaking to municipalities, and that is to the district mayors. He said for those municipalities who are not performing, we are an embarrassment to the province and we must get our act together. Simple as that. He wants service delivery, and that's it. And you know, he's a hands-on premier, he's visiting, he's in touch, he knows what's going on, and he interrogates stuff. Now for us as managers to take collective responsibility, because even at Ugu, it can't be that because I'm the GM water services, I'm only interested in water. Because I'm the GM corporate services, I'm only interested in support services. No. As management, you take collective responsibility to run this entire institution. It doesn't mean that all financial matters are the responsibility of CFO, and if we have a problem, CFO will sort it out. It's not going to work like that. We have to take corporate responsibility as management, collective responsibility. So as a result, the staff together, everybody has put their head and have come up to say, in terms of Municipal Service Week, we want especially management to be exposed to the various aspects of what is it we do. There were people who were doing various things yesterday. Mame, when you phoned me, I was busy reading meters in Umtontweni and Southport and Sea Park and whatever. And I can tell you, my view of meter reading has changed after what I've experienced firsthand. Okay, I don't condone a lot of things that happened or may be happening, but I have now a more holistic perspective because I was there on the ground. I saw what happened. I did it myself. And for this week, the GM will give you the break. That is what we are going to be doing. So at Ugu, from now on, people take collective responsibility. If there's a problem in a certain unit, we'll all go there. And next week we have a program. I don't know if I can share that program with you. I haven't shown it to Ma'am yet, so maybe we'll share it to you later. Where in our engagements we have identified certain critical sections, and we are engaging next week. Not and those, no, the entire management with the entire section. The most junior of clerk will be here. We are taking a different approach, and it is all geared to only one thing, and that is service delivery. As Ugu, we are not interested in anything else but service delivery.